All right, let's dive straight into this classic Panchatantra explainer about four seriously brave jungle animals. So, how do four tiny animals actually defeat a deadly hunter? Let's jump in and find out. Meet our awesome, unlikely crew: a slow turtle, a clever crow, a rat, and a lonely deer. They spent their days foraging solo, but always made sure to meet back up safely by sunset. But then, disaster strikes. The deer didn't show up, so the crow took to the sky. From up high, he spots the awful truth. Their poor friend is stuck in a hunter's net. Talk about teamwork. The crow literally airlifted the rat over to chew the net and free him. They freed the deer, but yikes, the hunter suddenly returns just as the slow turtle shows up. Such a tragic twist. Three of them bolted, but the poor turtle got scooped into a sack. The hunter marched off, leaving three devastated friends to face one heavily armed human. But hey, hope isn't lost. The clever crow quickly brainstormed a totally brilliant trick to save him. Here's the master plan. The deer plays dead, the crow distracts, and the rat waits in ambush. Seeing what looked like a dead deer, the greedy hunter dropped his heavy sack and walked over. While the guy was totally distracted, the rat sprang out and chewed right through the sack. Right as the hunter got close, the crow flew off and the deer sprinted away, completely baffled. The super disappointed hunter came back for his sack, only to find it chewed open and empty. The four friends happily reunited. It absolutely proves that unity really is your greatest strength. Compare the deer's earlier isolation to how these four buddies collaborated to beat totally impossible odds. So, how can you use this unstoppable teamwork in your own life to crush your biggest challenges?